Last week, one of my videos went viral of me demonstrating how to improve circulation on an airplane by moving our feet and ankles. And you were all like, hey Justin, that's great, but we don't have that much leg room. Not like you in first class. First of all, I was not in first class. That was an exit seat. Maybe one day, but I don't roll like that yet. Second of all, you do have enough space. I was just extending my legs so that I could actually film it. I took advantage of the fact that I did have leg room. Anyways, I wanted to show you how you can actually do it if you have that seat super close to your knees. You can still improve circulation, okay? My legs are gonna be pretty much at 90 degrees. We might extend it a little bit later, but you can do all these exercises just like this, all right? We're going to lift our toe and lift our heel. Now we're just gonna go the opposite way. I'm gonna show a close-up in the corner here so that you see it better. Right, then we have the windshield wipers. So we're just going inward and outward, inward and outward. Then we can go from left to right, left to right. The idea here is just to get it moving. Now we can bring our feet a little bit just underneath the seat of your neighbor at the front. We're gonna use that little space underneath the seat. We're gonna point our toes, then bring them upward, point them forward, and bring them up. Now you can do other stuff like just lifting your knees upward like that. And yes, of course, you can wear compression socks. That helps a lot. Hope it helps.